What's going on? It's your boy TK here, back with another video. I ain't gonna lie, it's hot as hell out here today, but you know what? We're gonna make another video. That's just what I do. Check this out. I've been wanting to record this car for a long time. This known as the first generation or the OG first-gen Hyundai Veloster, but not just any Hyundai Veloster. It's a Hyundai Veloster Turbo. There's a story behind this. Belongs to a very special friend of mine. This is a female-driven car, and you know what? Y'all just gotta stay tuned to this video. Y'all don't want to miss out. Well, everybody, I'm gonna introduce you to a special friend of mine. This is Susan Johnson. This is her beautiful Hyundai Veloster Turbo. Hey, Susan. Tell me more about this car. I know there's a story behind this car, but tell me a lot more about it.
Okay, so this car is the SoCal Garage Works company car that was built by Greg and over the years it had been featured in Pass Mag. It was basically, it's the OG, so it is the Veloster for the Veloster community that is very recognizable. When Greg needed to move forward with updating a new car, making a new build, he bought a Veloster N and needed to sell his company car. So he sold it to a kid who bought it from him, and it was a little mistreated and had to be basically almost started over. There's a lot of stuff to it that it still needs a lot of work. But a lot of things have been updated, more to be updated, a lot more stuff to do on it. Some things that are still needing work, but yeah, it's been a challenge, but it's been fun. But that is the history of the car. So it is technically the SoCal Garage Works car, but it's in my care now.
Okay, all right. Appreciate you sharing that with me. Thank you. Susan, I greatly appreciate you giving me a ride in your Veloster today. I don't know if I remember, you already know when I first met you, what was it, like 4 years ago?
It was October of 2019.
Damn, you got good memories.
I do, because it was Midnight Madness, and it was in October because it was cold.
Yep, and
you had your first gen, and I had the second gen.
And you had your second gen, yeah. Right? And sure enough, we've been close friends ever since.
Yeah.
And I'm glad, you know, we linked up, and you know, the rest was history. Here we are. I've seen you at other IFO events and all that. And
with the first car first, the 19, and then this one.
Now this one, right, since you got this 13.
Yeah.
So that's just awesome. Just see, that's what it's all about. Once you go to certain places, you don't know who you're gonna come across, but you cross paths for a reason. Yeah. And everything works out in that matter. And
it's crazy.
I'm just grateful for that. I really am. It's truly special. Very, very special. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. And Susan, thank you so much for giving me a ride on your Hyundai Veloster Turbo today.
You're welcome, bud.
This is a badass car. I appreciate you sharing me the backstory behind this entire car, where it came from, and how far it has come. But I know you already mentioned it still needs a lot more work.
Yeah.
It's in store, but you're slowly getting it there.
Yeah.
But you take it one step at a time, right?
Baby steps. Yep.
That's all it takes, just like with life. Baby
Yes,
steps, one day at a time. But all right, everybody, like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, TK Turbo. I'm out.